Alright guys, so we're now here in Estancia. Merong event, Life Fast, Sip Slow. I think it's by Estancia. May mga test ride daw The Peugeot is there, I know Lambretta is there. I don't know which one is also there. Pero let's check it out. Yung Peugeot, ang curious ako kasi the last time we tried the Peugeot when it was first launched. Itong mga Peugeot na daw ngayon are the, well, for the Django, this is the newer version. So hopefully meron sila nun so we can compare. And according to mga online reviews, this one has much better engine. Kasi yung dati, di ba yung may problema natin, parang ang upad masyado ng lumang Peugeot Okay, so let's check it out. Naka-vest pa tayo ngayon para mas madali. Ayoko na magpantalon. Sige, so abort tayo. Well, we dropped by. It looks like nothing was happening. Tapos dun sa Peugeot, I didn't see the new Django. We're just going to go and eat at one of a classic staple when I was in high school. ICCC. So yun na lang i-review natin. I-review na lang natin yung sisig.
Pero hindi pwedeng
Well, unfortunately, supply yung... Thank you. Supply yung test ride event. Buti na lang. It's been ages since I have eaten ices. Last time na naalala ko, high school pa yata kami. So, I'm having it now again. Hot ba to? 200 pesos. Marami to
Kuya, paad pa ako ng barbecue hot.
200. Comes with egg already. And then I ordered rice. Okay, we're going to mix our sisig. I want my sisig to be a little spicy, so I put a little chili. Konti lang. A little calamansi. Sa tagal ko lang hindi kumain dito, I don't remember how they taste like. So we are reviewing this as if this is our first time to eat this. Kung kumain man ako dito, malamang lasing ako na. Thank you. And my favorite na sa barbecue, isaw manok. Ano yung isaw manok? 35 pesos isa. Okay, that's it. Let's put a little hot sauce. Pero ano siya, quantity-wise, for 200 pesos, okay naman siya. And compared to yung mga sisig Horey na nasa mga mall, I like this much better kasi hindi siya yung matamis. Yung sa sisig Horey sa mga mall, ang tatamis na eh. Because they put that weird mayonnaise sauce. This one doesn't have mayonnaise. I don't like mayonnaise and sisig. Pero compared dun sa sisig Horey, ganun din, malutong siya. Malutong siya. Konting lang nor nilagay ko eh. My mistake, I should have tasted it first. Kasi maalat na pala siya eh. For me maalat na siya eh. So dapat hindi na ako naglagay ng nor. Pero with the nor and the rice, okay lang. Let's add more calamansi. I like the isaw. Malinis. Minsan kasi merong mga kanto na isaw na pagkagat mo, may amoy. This one is walang amoy, malinis. So yung isaw lang talaga nalalasa mo, walang extra. Doon sana niluto nila longer para matuyo konti. Kasi besides the crunchy bits, naging mushy yung ibang parts. Mas gusto ko mas crunchy. Yung texture mas pareho. Kasi ko pag niluto mo ito mas matagal. Or iniwan mo sa seasoning mas matagal. Para maging yung mga mushy part maluto ka po din. Okay, that's it. So, 200 pesos for the sisig. I don't know how much the rice is in the soft drinks, but the isaw manok is 35 each. Pero, at least malinis. So when my family found out I was eating barbecue, nagpabili rin. Ayan ang order nila. What I realize is malamang lasing din ako nung kumakain kami dito. But for now, I like the barbecue better than the sisig. Sisig wasn't bad, but the barbecues are good.